Anyone else to their core a night owl, but you so badly want to be a morning person. I'll be in bed by 10 p.m. and I'll want to go to bed early, but somehow I'll find a way to stay up till like 2 a.m. doing nothing. Or oftentimes I'll like procrastinate all throughout the day, and then weirdly I'm like my most productive and creative between the hours of like 11 and 2 a.m. And then when it comes to waking up early, even if I do get the proper amount of sleep, it literally just never gets any easier. I'll literally be anxious about the fact that I'm late and I still find myself laying in bed. Like I said, like I love the feeling of waking up early and getting an early start to my day, but it's just so difficult. And I think it's crazy that for some people out there, it's like that's what they're like more inclined to do. That's easy for them. That's the natural thing.